There is a force to push history forward. There is a power to make the world change. Film media has been changing the world with technology and products. Converging originality, going far with specialty. Founded in 2009, Film Media is a comprehensive enterprise integrating with production, R&D, and sales, which is committed to providing first-class filtration solutions and has been a leader in the filtration material industry for many years. The products are widely used in cement plants, thermal power plants, steel mills, aluminum factories, waste incineration plants, asphalt plants, and carbon black plants, etc. Professional production technology highlights the competitive advantages. Film Media has a complete set of filtration products fabrication process, including raw material preparation, needle felt production, filter bag making, filter cage processing, and strict quality inspection. Production of needle felt. Selection and storage of raw material. Film Media selects high-quality domestic and foreign fiber and scrim. We have sufficient stock, such as more than 10 tons of high-temperature filter media fiber, over 50 tons of polyester fiber, 50,000 meters of polyester scrim, and more than 10,000 meters of other material scrim for regular stock. Production process of needle felt. Film Media adopts double lapping and carding manufacturing process that finishes the final product in one single step. All fibers will enter the feeding equipment first. After opening process and intensive mixing, fibers reach the pneumatic hopper. Through continuous operations in 8 carding areas, fibers are removed to form a lighter single fiber web. Then the fiber web enters into the lapping machine. Driven by cog belt, the lapping carriage overlaps the single fiber web back and forth to form a multi-layer fiber web. Meanwhile, different materials of scrim are added under the conveying to make it become fiber web in upper and lower, scrim in the middle. In the next moment, fiber web enters into needle punching machine where there are many needles with hooks. Different thickness of needle felts are produced after repeated needle punching. In particular, we use strong magnet to suck out the broken needles in manufacturing. At this point, the semi-finished filter media comes into being. Finally, we will do some finish treatments. For example, heat setting, water and oil repellent, PTFE coating, and PTFE impregnation can satisfy the demand of product chemical resistance. Singeing will meet the requirement of different surface style, like glazed and granular surface. Thickness and density of the felt can be controlled by the treatment of calendaring. PTFE membrane ensures the lower dust emission. Quality control. Film Media follows strict quality control procedures to make sure that all our products are in stable and consistent performance. Our laboratory will do the tests of weight, thickness, air permeability, tensile strength, tensile elongation, heat shrinkage, and water and oil repellency level after semi-finished products and finished treatments are completed. Filter bag making. We can produce different kinds of filter bags with different specifications, such as pulse jet filter bag, reverse air filter bag, envelope filter bag, and star bag, etc. Star bags not only can increase the filtering area by 50 to 150%, but also extend the service life of filter bag. Film Media adopts the automatic sewing line to produce the filter bag body with stable quality and exquisite stitching. 30 workers with more than 4 years of experience in filter bag sewing are equipped with advanced equipment to manufacture filter bag head and bottom. Each step requires strict quality inspection and strives to provide customers with the best quality products. In order to meet the customer's high requirements of dust emission, we apply glue and PTFE tape to seal the needle holes of filter bags so as to achieve zero emission. In addition, Filmedia can also provide technical support for customers to install filter bags, which greatly enhances the convenience and the trust of customers. Filter cage. Filter cage is the support of the filter bag. The quality of filter cage directly affects the filtration effect and service life of the filter bag. Filmedia adopts carbon steel wire or stainless steel wire with sufficient strength and rigidity to produce filter cages by a high-frequency welding machine. According to different working conditions, we can also provide galvanized filter cage and silicone coating filter cages. We make sure that each filter cage can meet the requirements of lightness, smoothness, and straightness so as to achieve the effects of firm design structure and long service life. With lofty aspirations, we will dominate in the future. Looking at blue sea and vast sky, we still have a long way to go. Listening to raging waves, we are eager to challenge more. Inheriting the excellence to create a better future. Filmedia aims at the art of filter media and takes prospering the country as our duty. We will unceasingly surmount ourselves with the mission. Service is the most powerful springboard for Filmedia. In the future, Filmedia is expected to draw a blueprint.